Okay, so this video is to talk about something called correcting entries. Now imagine you're an accountant and imagine you enter something incorrectly in the general journal. Or imagine you're an accountant and the person who works at the business gave you incorrect information and you put that incorrect information into the general journal. And then a week later, they came to you and they said, oh, you remember that thing I told you about? That was wrong. Now, a lot of you are thinking that the accountant's just going to get their white out and they're going to go to the general journal and they're going to white it out. Job's fixed. Accountants don't work that way. They stand by their mistakes. And then they fix their mistakes. So, if you make a mistake in the general journal, it has to stay. It stays. And then you correct it later, down the bottom. Let's look at one. We'll see how it works. Okay, so a pretty straightforward transaction here. Bob buys furniture for $5,000. So you've got your general journal, date, particulars, debit, credit, and Bob buys furniture for $5,000 on the 1st of the 7th. So the furniture account gets debited. Sorry if this is boring for a lot of us. And the bank account gets credited. And bought furniture. Now, that should be the end of it, right? But someone goes over the books at the end of the month and then we find out this. 30 days, September, April, June, and November. 31st of July. Correcting entry, furniture was only $500. This happens pretty regularly. Someone misplaces a decimal point and the whole thing's it's 10 times more than it should be, or 10 times less, whatever it might be. So now we need to correct that. Now there are numerous ways that you can correct that, but we're going to do it the easiest way. First thing we're going to do is cancel out the original transaction. So cancelling out a transaction is really, really simple. Just do the opposite to all of the accounts that you did previously. So your bank, we credited, so this time we're going to debit the bank, $5,000. And then furniture, sorry guys, I know that doesn't look like the word furniture, we're going to credit $5,000. Now, this is our correcting entry. And we'll call this reversal of 1st of the 7th transaction. Okay, reversal of the 1st of the 7th transaction. Now underneath that we now need to do what the transaction should have been. Now what the transaction should have been was furniture, $500, bank, $500, and underneath that we can say correction of 1st of the 7th transaction. Sorry if I'm falling off the page there, guys. Okay, I'm taking my time with this because it's a very simple concept, but I'm worried that it's something that might change. Now, some of you are looking at this going, there's a faster way. And there is a faster way. And if you want to attempt the faster way, what I ask is that you come and talk to me. And you say, sir, I know the faster way and I can do the faster way. And I'll probably say yes, or I'll probably say show me. So you can do it a faster way if you want to do it a faster way, but you need to talk to me first, because this is the way I think it should be done. But if you want to do it a different way, come and talk to me and we'll sort it out. Okay, that's correcting entries. The reason I've done correcting entries now is because in the next one, we're going to do sales returns, which is complicated, but it's pretty much this. All right, thanks.